Today, I'm going to show you how to make green peas corn cashew pulao. So the ingredients which we need for this is soaked basmati rice. Here I have soaked it for 20 minutes. Green peas, carrot, sliced onion, roughly chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves, corn, sliced green chilies and curry leaf, cashew, garam masalas and bay leaf. In the masalas, I'm using cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, mace and Marathi mocha. I'm using homemade ginger garlic paste, homemade garam masala, oil or ghee. In a pressure cooker, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of ghee, and to this I'm adding cashew. Now we need to fry it till the cashew gets golden brown and add all the garam masala ingredients and bay leaf and fry it for half a minute. Now to this I'm adding green chili sliced and curry leaves, sliced onions. Fry them till the onions are half cooked. Now I'm adding roughly chopped mint and coriander leaves, carrot and green peas. Fry them properly. So after 1 minute, now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Make sure you mix it properly until the raw smell goes off. To this I am adding corn. Since this is a non-stick, we need to keep mixing it. To this I am adding soaked rice. I have soaked this for 20 minutes now. I am adding this and we need to fry it. We need to fry the rice so that the rice grains doesn't stick to each other and it gets cooked perfectly. Since we are not using non-stick vessel and we used very little oil, we need to keep mixing so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. We need to fry it for 2 to 3 minutes after adding the rice. To this I am adding homemade garam masala, a very little amount, around 2 pinch, just to add some extra flavor, and mix it properly. To this I am adding water. So I took 1 cup measurement of rice, and to this I am adding 1.5 cup of water. I am adding the salt at this point. Now we need to mix it properly and make sure we check the salt content. Don't add too much salt in the beginning. Add a little bit and check it, and if needed you can add more. Close the pressure cooker lid and in a low flame we need to cook it till we get 4 whistles. Switch off the flame and let it cool down for 10 minutes. After that, slowly open the pressure cooker and you can smell the aroma. Wow, look at it. So colorful. Orange, yellow, green. You could serve it with your choice of curry or raita. Look at it. It's just wow. It's perfectly cooked. Make sure you try it. And if you like a video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Keep smiling. Have a nice day. Bye bye.